Top 5 Best Fuel, Propane and Natural Gas Use Portable Generator in 2026. Top 1. Westinghouse 14,500 peak watt tri-fuel home backup portable generator, remote electric start, transfer switch ready, gas, propane, and natural gas powered, perfect as a backup power source for larger homes or a dependable source of portable power. 14,500 peak watts, 11,500 running watts, gasoline. 13,500 peak watts, 10,500 running watts, propane. 12,000 peak watts, 9,500 running watts, natural gas, powered by a heavy-duty 550cc 4-stroke OHV Westinghouse engine constructed with a durable cast iron sleeve. Runs for up to 19 hours on a 9.5 gallons fuel tank with built-in fuel gauge. Up to 7 hours on a 20 pounds propane tank, engineered with low THD, so it's safe for sensitive electronics. Power phones, computers, TVs and more. Stay connected with people, news and entertainment during power outages, or on job sites and campsites. Durable copper windings help your generator produce cleaner power, run cooler and last longer. Top 2. Westinghouse 12,500 watt dual fuel home backup portable generator, remote electric start, transfer switch ready, gas and propane powered, 9,500 running watts and 12,500 peak watts, gasoline. 8,500 running watts, 11,200 peak watts, propane. Remote start with included key fob, electric and recoil start. Up to 12 hours of runtime on a 6-gallon fuel tank with fuel gauge. Features 2 GFCI 120V5-20R20A standard household receptacle, 1 transfer switch ready 120VL14-30R30A, and 1 RV ready 120-214V14-50R50A. All outlets have rubber covers for added safety, powered by a heavy-duty 457cc Westinghouse 4-stroke OHV engine featuring a long-lasting cast iron sleeve with automatic low-oil shutdown and digital hour meter. VFT display gives you real-time updates with the voltage output, frequency, and lifetime hours. Top 3. Westinghouse 12,500 peak watt tri-fuel home backup portable generator, remote electric start, transfer switch ready, gas, propane, and natural gas powered, 12,500 peak watts, 9,500 running watts, gasoline. 11,200 peak watts, 8,500 running watts, propane. 9,500 peak watts, 7,500 running watts, natural gas. Remote start with included key fob, electric and recoil start. Up to 12 hours of runtime on a 6-gallon fuel tank with fuel gauge, features 2 GFCI 120V5-20R standard household receptacle, 1 transfer switch ready 120VL14-30R, and 1 RV ready 120-214V14-50R. All outlets have rubber covers for added safety, powered by a heavy-duty 457cc Westinghouse 4-stroke OHV engine featuring a long-lasting cast iron sleeve with automatic low-oil and carbon monoxide, company, shutdown, and digital hour meter, plug and play, comes with a remote start key fob, 12V battery charger, oil, and oil funnel, a tool kit, and a user's manual to get you started right out of the box, minimal assembly required. Top 4. GenX Tri-Fuel Generator, 10,500 watt 458 cc tri-fuel gasoline propane natural gas portable 50A generator with remote start, ideal for home backup power. Strong load capacity? GM1050IETC has the maximum power among single-cylinder silent inverter generator. The whole machine can work stably at 8,500 W running watts and 10,500 W starting watts on gasoline, 8,000 W running watts and 9,500 W starting watts on LPG, 6,800 W running watts and 8,400 W starting watts on natural gas, so large load starting current equipment, air compressor blower air conditioner can carry at one time. THD less than 3%, perfect for sensitive equipment such as computer and cell phone. Diversified functional control panel. Easy operation panel with remote start, one button start, electric start / ATS automatic control, etc. Diversified configuration, equipped with one X120/214 VAC 30AL14-30R outlet, DC cigarette lighter outlet, 12 VDC 8.3A, one X120/214 VAC 50A14-50R outlet, 4 X120 VAC 20A5-20R outlet, company alarm, parallel connectors, battery charging port, overload reset switch and LED light, voltage transfer switch can meet 120V/240V simultaneous use. Neutral floating? For easy bonding, make it perfect for home standby backup power. Easy connect the house. Using our special bonding plug, sold separately, to change the neutral floating to neutral bonded status for portable use. Portable. Top 5. Westinghouse 13,500 peak watt tri-fuel home backup portable generator, remote electric start, transfer switch ready, gas, propane, and natural gas powered 13,500 peak watts, 10,500 running watts, gasoline. 12,500 peak watts, 9,500 running watts, propane. 10,000 peak watts, 8,500 running watts, natural gas. Remote start with included key fob, electric and recoil start. Up to 19 hours of runtime on a 9.5-gallon fuel tank with fuel gauge. Features 2 GFCI 120V5-20R20A standard household receptacle, 1 transfer switch ready 120VL14-30R30A, and 1 RV ready 120/214V14-50R50A. All outlets have rubber covers for added safety, powered by a heavy-duty 500cc Westinghouse 4-stroke OHV engine featuring a long-lasting cast iron sleeve with automatic low oil and carbon monoxide, company, shutdown, and digital hour meter, plug and play, comes with a remote start key fob, 12V battery charger, oil, and oil funnel, a tool kit, and a user's manual to get you started right out of the box. Minimal assembly required.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.